Over the past few years, many videos have popped up with titles like Strange Sounds from the Sky or Loud Trumpet Sounds Heard Around the World. There are a lot of theories about the sounds in these videos, everything from aliens to harp, earth noises, or the apocalyptic trumpet sounds mentioned in the Bible. In 2015, these videos became popular again, being featured on shows like Glenn Beck and websites like WorldNet Daily and Infowars.com. And even though most of the videos they presented were several years old, they claim that, quote, people all around the world are hearing these trumpet sounds. I will attempt to explain what's going on with this phenomenon to the best of my ability. As far as I can tell, there are basically two types of these videos: absolute hoaxes and genuine sounds that people are hearing, most of which have obvious explanations. Just after the movie Red State came out, which included a scene in which pranksters tricked local Christians by playing recorded trumpet sounds on a loudspeaker to make them think it was the rapture, the first of these trumpet videos came out. One such video was recorded in Kiev, Ukraine in 2011, and the noise sounded like this. The Kiev video was and still is an incredibly popular video on YouTube and has generated millions of views. It seems the Kiev video gave lots of industrious, if dishonest people an idea to make money. So they copied the sound from that video and played it in the background as they recorded their own video. We know this is true because the sounds match exactly. And not just the trumpet sounds, but even the background noises. For example, notice this very distinct bird noise that was recorded in the original Kiev video. Now listen to these other videos claiming to hear trumpet noises and see if you notice anything familiar.
What's that noise?
The fact that these particular videos are hoaxes is now considered indisputable, even by the people who are cataloging these videos on devoted websites. Even some of the more recent 2015 videos making the rounds on places like WorldNet Daily, like this one from Texas, are using the same old Kiev video soundtrack. The section of audio they stole is from around the 2:19 mark of the Kiev video, which sounds like this. Now listen to the 2015 Texas Pranksters video.
Dude. Did you guys hear that?
Since this hoax from Texas is so short, they didn't include the telltale bird screech in the Kiev video, but if you compare the two closely, you can hear the exact same soft bird noises in the background.
Did you guys hear that?
A lot of people are saying that the noises in the hoaxes are actually taken directly from the movie Red State or The War of the Worlds. And while this seems to be the case for some of the very early hoax videos, as far as I can tell, this is not true with the Kiev video. The sounds are not the same in that video. To be honest, I'm not sure exactly what the sound is in the original 2011 Kiev video, the video that all the hoaxers are stealing from, but I think the next category of these videos may provide a clue. genuine sounds. One of the more popular trumpet sounds videos is from Terrace, British Columbia, and Canada. This one has been featured very prominently in the recent 2015 promotion of these sounds, even though it was recorded in 2013. It sounds like this. This was so popular that various news organizations reported on the video and interviewed the lady who shot it. The town of Terrace was inundated with a lot of international attention. Thankfully, another Terrace, Canada resident took it upon himself to solve the mystery and shot a video of the actual source of the sound, which was a bulldozer scraping finished concrete while constructing a nearby skate park.
There's the sound of the source.
This skate park is extremely close to the home of the woman who shot the video. Also note that both the skate park footage and the strange sounds video were shot at virtually the same time in the morning, as that part of the construction took place around the same time for a few consecutive days. In a few non-hoax cases where we can be sure of the origin of the noise, it is important to note that the sounds seem more industrial than anything else. And given that this issue has become a hoaxer's paradise, we should err on the side of caution. WorldNet Daily and others really should be ashamed of themselves for telling people that this is the start of the apocalypse.
عمك؟ ايوه